So welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about this gold amplifier board. This actual amplifier can be able to make good bass and active noise cancellation of inbuilt audio and cracking sounds. It also has some other good feature, which I will show you in this video. Before we proceed with this video, I would like if you pause the video and click the like button as we wait for some few seconds, and if this is your first time watching this video, please endeavor to subscribe and let's go! On opening the box, you are greeted with a silicone or transparent TPU case that had the board, volume and bass adjustment knob with the tightening knots. Zooming into the bottom of the board, you can see the thickness and size of the board as it comprises of a headphone, jack and a power port. It has the capacity to handle ranging from 0.8 volts to 15 volts. Take a look at this sample. Another thing to consider about getting this board is that it has a very strong speaker connection port where you can connect the left and right speakers and the subwoofers simultaneously. This one by my right is the PEM 5 volts amplifier module. It does play great in sound quality, but doesn't quite give the right bass and noise cancellations. To get these boards, or if you are new to motherboard amplifiers, I will put the links in the descriptions. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Click the video at the top right corner of right here to watch the full testing of this gold amplifier module.